So I have these two plants that I need to repot, and I'm gonna take them to like my local plant shop to replant them. And I might get some other little ones to kind of just like decorate the windowsill. I'm gonna see what they have. Kind of nice. I'm on my way to pick up the mugs that we painted like a week or two ago. I think it was 2 weeks ago. I'm really excited to see what they look like. I painted mine with like little cute flowers, and Samson got he painted one with like frogs, and I'm gonna pick up Michelle and her boyfriends as well.
I feel bad to take him out.
Maybe at home. I'm so excited. This is Samson's. Turned out so cute. I think this one's mine. Cute. Okay, so I did like purple inside, and it kind of turned out like watercolor. I put a heart in the middle. These are like totally like Urban Outfitter vibes. Oh, okay, so these are for Michelle and her boyfriend. Samson and I end up matching, and then they started matching too. And these are totally like CB2 vibes, you know? I think we did a pretty good job. I'm heading to a Chinese supermarket right now. I'm in Flushing because I've been really craving beef noodle soup, like Taiwanese or like Chinese beef noodle soup that my mom used to make me, and I want to try to cook it.
these things from the Chinese supermarket. I've never used them myself. They're supposed to be like aromatics. The dried orange peel, bay leaves, and cinnamon sticks. That's supposed to give the soup a lot more flavor. Ooh.
Excited about fall, so I'm currently rewatching Gilmore Girls. Okay, let's try the beef noodles. I need to get a spoon. Oh, that's pretty good. There's like, oh my god, it's kind of spicy. Ooh, the broth is pretty good. This is definitely satisfying my beef noodle soup craving. I feel like it's been so long since I've seen so much rain. It's kind of nice. I've been super stressed and overwhelmed recently, so a quiet day like this is really relaxing. Maybe it's also because I'm used to like the slower pace of LA, especially since most of my friends and family were here in New York. Or maybe it's just my introverted side coming out. I feel like I'm always like changing, and honestly being in your 20s is really stressful. I feel like you always have this expectation to be who you are going to become, and to be honest, I was such a different person 2 years ago, and who knows, I'm gonna be such a different person 2 years later. That's okay. And I guess what I'm trying to say is don't be afraid to change, or even just be like different versions of yourself. Rainy days always feel so much better at home than it does outside. Like, I am not trying to be outside right now. It's getting chilly too, but it feels so nice. Like, it's starting to kind of feel like fall, which I love. But today I'm just going to relax. I'm going to chill on my couch, gonna binge watch my shows, and honestly just have like a whole day to myself. got more of the shelves that I had in the bedroom here. And I think it looks pretty nice. I put it in the bathroom, put some of my products on it, just because I don't have a lot of like shelf or cabinet space. And this helps a lot, and I think it's pretty cute. The bathroom is coming along really well. I'm pretty much done with the bathroom, I think. Good morning, guys. I'm heading to the park right now. I'm gonna grab some breakfast, and Samson and I are going to take Kobe to the park because he loves to just people watch. He loves to just like sit on a bench, sit on the grass, just watch what's going on around him. So we're gonna get some breakfast, make it a cute little breakfast date.